Hi, grade 3. Today it will be a review on your in Unit 1 and Unit 2, grade 3 Egyptian syllabus. But before I will go to our review today for October exam test, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel, send you new videos. Today I will make a quick revise on Unit 1 and 2, the 2 units that it will be in your October exam. Let's go to our unit today. Today, I will make a quick revise on the 2 units that we will examine in October test. Here we say, Ale is always ready to help others. He is shy, angry, helpful, safe. So here I talk about Ale. Ale here we written as it is as Ale and Ale. But here the pronoun is he. So Ale, he, so Ale, he, no, he is not Ale. It will be Ale because he have the pronoun he. So the answer it will be helpful. So Ale is always ready to help others. He is helpful. Let's go to another one. You should listen to your teacher. What? Carefully, lazily, quickly, happily. You said that you should listen to your teacher. What? Carefully, you are a clever pupil. What's your name? Nice to meet you. You are clever pupils. I think all this we took it during the lesson. She am is are pretty. I would like to review a verb to be I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they, are. So it will be I am, he, she, it, take, is, you, we, they, take, are. So she take what? She take is. She am, is, are, pretty. So it will be she is pretty. He has, so he has. Has here means something it belongs to me. Has green, curly, blue hair. It will be here curly hair. When I talk about the hair, I say curly, straight, and so on. Okay, I think no one has a blue hair. I think so. So it's not normal. Raise your to be here. Raise your hand. Don't space. Don't space. Don't shout. This girl space my friend. This girl is. So I say I have this and this take is verb to be. I space to school every day. Here I go to school. Not listen. Not sleep. It will be go. He is what he is helpful. So I say I talk about the features that of this person that he is helpful. We space at 9 o'clock. We sleep. Why we don't put s? Because we is plural and don't take s. How space today? So it will be here. I ask about his state. It will be here. I say to him or her, how are you today? I see here we say I am tired. Good morning. How are you? So when with your friend or your classmates or anyone saying how good morning, how are you today? And this is the greetings that we greet each other every day. She is am are a student. So the answer here it will be she is. Why? Because it is take in verb to be is. We here space we are. Why we are here? Because here we have ing form and this called the present continuous tense and is are plus verb plus ing. Here we say are. He space at 9 o'clock. It's a routine, so it will be here. He sleeps. I adding s to the verb. Let's go to another one here. The teacher, listen to what? Listen, it's the teacher saying to you, listen carefully. You should always be friendly. Should always be friendly. I have 2 brothers, they are. Here we have 2 brothers, so it's plural, more than one. So I select are. She has beautiful green, green what? Green eyes, beautiful green eyes, not hair. He is very kind and helpful. See you later. I space up early every night. I wake up. It will be here. I wake up. The boy in the picture is what is shouting. He space up at 7 o'clock. He wakes. So let's do this exercise together. Here we have a punctuate. I do this exercise by adding. Here is the here must be written in capital letter like this, and I put full stop at the end of sentence. This is the formula of interrogative or question. So it will be here, how are you? How are you? And I put question mark at the end of the to be here. How are you? How are you? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. To be here, how are you? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Here I replace small letter by capital letter here and adding and put full stop at the end of the sentence. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. It's easy to know how to do this exercise. I say you how to do it, and I leave the rest to do by yourself as a homework. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Let's do this exercise together. My friends are very space. My friends are very what? Are very friendly. So I put here friend. The boy is in the picture, has a space hair, has curly hair. His sister is so what? So pretty. So our teacher talks. We all space. We all listen carefully. Let's go to the another one. Every space here. Every morning I space. I wake up early. I try to be space to my friend. I try to be helpful with my friend. When I know the answer, I always raise my hand. Okay. My dad is here is my father. My mom is my mother. My father's sister is my aunt. My mother's brother is my uncle. The person who sick goes to the person who sick goes to what? Goes to a doctor. The doctor helps patients. A person who makes a bread is what? Is a baker. Okay. So the place that we have a bread, it will be what? It will be bakery. But the one who works in this place, it will be here baker. I eat a lot of space for breakfast. I eat a lot of bread. Sham Nisim is an Egyptian holiday. Okay, we eat what? Bread, salted fish. Exams on on Sham Nisim. Can we eat exams in Sham Nisim? No. Can we eat bread in Sham Nisim? No. It will be what? It will be here salted fish. My house is a big. Is a big what? Is a big. Has a big. My house has a big garden. Okay, I read from 12 till the end of the exercise. It will be a homework. I answered the same below, so it's not difficult to do it by yourself. I go to another one here. My space works in the hospital. My uncle. He is a busy doctor. On his way home, he buys some fresh what? Some fresh space from the baker, from some fresh bread. He studies hard because he has an important what? An important exam. It will be here an important exam tomorrow. My space and my space went to the park. It will be here my aunt and my mother went to the park. Has a big garden, has a big garden with a flower. They took a space of flowers. They took they took a photo. Here it took a photo. Okay, here is the rearrange. What can I do this by doing? Subject plus verb plus object. Okay, what can I do it? It will be here. I can do it what? I can do it as it is. I answer two of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here is subject, verb, object. But when we make a question, I replace the verb in instead of what? In instead of subject. It will be here my father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. Let's go to another one. What's your name? Here it will be here. What's your name? your name. To be here, what's your name? What's your name? And I put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here is I will solve the exercise that collected on both units. Here, what can I put here? It will be here E. It will be here E elephant. E for elephant. It will be here all. It will be here phone. It will be here Excel phone. So let's go to another one. My space is my father's mother. To be here is my father's mother, grandmother. Is my father's mother, grandmother. My mother space us food every day. Cooks. To be here cooks. Why I put us? Because here we have mother and mother is singular and adding s to the verb. That is my brother. So here my brother, I talk about my brother. So my brother is a boy. So I say which one is suitable? It will be his name is Ali because he's boy, not a girl. She has a blue bag. Her bag is. Her bag is. So let's go to another one here. Here we say, here is comprehension and the text below this text, and we answer the question below. On 6th of October, we celebrate at school, we sing songs and draw flags. We remember the brave soldiers. We feel proud of our country. Where do you celebrate? Where do we celebrate? So I asked the celebrate that the place that we celebrate in at what? At school. As we know here. What do we draw? We draw flags. What do we remember in this day? We remember what? Remember the brave soldiers. How do we feel about your country? We feel here what? We feel all proud because one of this vacation of our soldiers. Let's go to another one here. Is pilot my aunt? So it will be my aunt. It will be here is the subject. Where is the subject? My aunt. Where the verb is a pilot. Here we say we are. Here is the verb. We are proud of our country. What can I do this? As we told you before, that I underline the letter and I collect it as it is, and I put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here is we have what I replace what by capital letter and I put question mark at the end of the sentence. So here we talk about my family in this unit. We talk about the family and how I help my family. So I say that after school, I will give you an ideas and you can write it by yourself. After school, after I come from school, after I come back from school, I help my mother in making in cooking. I help my mother in cooking lunch. I and my sister. My sister helps her also. After we end from our lunch, we eat, and then we're cleaning the table. After that, we go to study, and we feel happy by helping my mother. Okay, this is the ideas of this exercise. I will make you a separated video about how to write a paragraph. You can follow me in this video to know more about this. Okay, so now I explain only the questions then the paragraph has a separated video. I will explain how to do it. Okay, here is we have here photo. Here is we have here white. Let's continue the rest of our exercise. Here it will be here photo. I write it as it is. Here is white. And here is example X. Here is alphabet. Written like this. AB is pronounced as F. Okay. Here is photo. Here when we say photo, BH is pronounced as F. Okay, as we know. My space is my sister's, is my mother's sister. It will be here aunt. Raise your, it will be here raise your hand. That is my sister. So I ask about, I introduce my sister and saying her name is what? Her name here is Mona. He has a red ball. He plays with it. He plays with it. He plays with it. Adding s to the noun because it's what we add s to the verb because this is singular and singular adding s. In the simple tense, we add s to the singular. Let's go to another question here. Here we say, Sham Nisim is a special what? Is a special day. We go to space, we go to the garden. I would like to say that salted fish known in English, we know it in Arabic also, we know it in Arabic as we know that الفسيخ and renga is called, this called salted fish. In Arabic we know renga and فسيخ, but in English we say salted fish. We space games, we play games, okay, we play games. Play games. We and eat salted what? Salted fish. Okay. Let's go to another item here. Another question. Here we say. Here we have. My uncle is a baker. He bakes delicious bread every day. He works in a big bakery. Many people buy bread from him. He is happy in his job. Here we say, what does my uncle bake? Bake what? Bake here delicious bread, as we know here. So I put here bread. Where does he work? In bakery. When does he bake bread? Bake bread what? All of us know that the bread is baked in what? In the morning, in the early morning. Okay. How does he feel about his job? He feel what? He feel happy because because people eat fresh bread from his hand. Okay, I think so. Let's go to another one here. Here we say here is subject plus verb plus object. Okay, so the answer here it will be soldiers are Egyptian brave. So I ask one, I answer one, and I will leave the next one to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay, here it will be, where is the subject here? The subject here it will be Egyptian. So, Egyptian soldiers. Egyptian. I would like to write it in correct way. Egyptian soldiers are brave. Okay, so here is subject, verb, and object. This is the rule that I applied here. So I will leave the next one to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Let's go to another one. Here is the punctuation. Where is the wrong here? It will be here W. Must be written in what? In capital letter. And put full stop at the end of the sentence. Here is we have a wrong here. It will be written in capital letter. And we put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Let's go to another one. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say, Mona is very very friendly. She always tells jokes and space her friends and helps her friends. She has long black hair. My mother is a pilot. She flies planes around the world. She visits many countries. She brings us new things from different places. So what does she bring us? My mother so we have a question here. What does my mother fly? Fly with what? Fly with what? With planes. My mother flies planes. What does she bring us? Bring us new things. So he go to different countries and give us and bring us different new things. Where does she travel? So here we ask about the place she travel what? She visits many countries. So it will be here. She visits many countries. What is her job? Her job of my mother, it will be pilot. It will be what? It will be her job is pilot. Okay, I think it's difficult for women to be a pilot. I think so. So the answer would be she flies around the world. She brings us lovely things. She brings us lovely things. Let's go to another one here. Here I correct this by what? By replacing small letter my by capital letter and put full stop at the end of the sentence. Where I replace the small letter W by replacing W with capital letter and put question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so here we talk about the pilot job that he go to. We say here that the pilot is a very important job because in this job the pilot goes to different countries and know more different different cultures about these countries and go all over the world. Okay, as we told you before that I will give you that I will have a separated video about how to write a paragraph. I hope to follow me in this video. Now we end from our review today. Best of luck for all. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video today. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.